Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Cookie Run Kingdom stuck on the loading screen. So actually, I had a lot of problems with this specific problem myself and I was able to fix it. I was finally able to find this one solution that worked for me. It is actually quite a quick solution as well. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my Cookie Run app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. In here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. I clicked on general in here as you can see, and then you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage. And in here, we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to load. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search. Now search like this cookie. You should probably be able to view the Cookie Run Kingdom app here right away. Just click on it, then click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. And yeah, this app actually takes so much size, by the way, and you're going to click on reinstall app now, and it might take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how good your internet is, basically. So just wait for it to completely load now. This is what I did myself. It took me like a couple of minutes, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, prepare for a long wait, potentially. So when it's done, just go back into the app, and this actually fixed it for me once again, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.